Tired of dragging files into Dropbox only to have them disappear into some digital black hole? I've been there. You think you've uploaded something, then you go looking for it later and it's just gone. Or worse, you end up with 3 copies of the same file in different folders and no idea which one is the latest. Here's the exact 3-click method to upload any file safely without the stress. By the end of this guide, you'll be placing files exactly where you want them, every single time. So here's the plan. We're going to start by signing into your Dropbox account. Then, we'll navigate to the specific folder where you want your files to live. And finally, we'll use the Upload button to pick either a file or an entire folder from your computer. It's straightforward, and I'll walk you through every click. Alright, let's get to it. First up, go to Dropbox. Just open your browser and head to Dropbox.com. That's Dropbox.com. Now, you'll need to sign into your account. Enter your email address and your password. If you have 2-factor authentication turned on, which I always recommend, go ahead and complete that step too. Once you're in, you'll be looking at your main Dropbox dashboard with all your files and folders. And here's the really important part. Don't just start uploading randomly. Open the specific folder where you want the file to go. This is the step that saves you from that dreaded file scavenger hunt later. If you want to create a new folder, you can click the Create button, but for now, just click into an existing one. Double-click the folder name, and you'll see the inside of it. So now that you're inside your target folder, look for the Upload button. It's a blue button right at the top of the page. Click that. A small menu will appear with 2 options, Files or Folder. This is a nice touch from Dropbox. If you have a whole folder full of stuff on your computer that you want to bring over, choose Folder. If it's just a single document or a few photos, choose Files. For this example, let's say we're picking Files. Your computer's file browser will pop open. Navigate to wherever that file is hiding on your hard drive. Maybe it's in your Downloads folder, maybe it's on your desktop. Find it, and click on it to highlight it. Then, click the Open button in the bottom right corner of that window. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a moment to process. Dropbox is working its magic in the background, taking your file and copying it up to the cloud. You'll see a little progress bar or a spinning icon near the file name. Don't close your browser or navigate away until that finishes. Once the progress bar disappears, that's your cue. Give it a quick check. Look at the file list inside your Dropbox folder. You should see your file sitting right there, in its proper place. If you see it, congratulations, you're done. If you don't see it, just refresh the page, and it should appear. And that's it. From being unsure how to get your files into Dropbox without losing them, you now know the exact repeatable process. This guide was created using Double, a platform built for tested, step-by-step instructions, so you can trust that each of these steps has been verified. Next time you need to back something up or share a file, you won't even have to think about it. You've got this.